Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the ultimate in versatile comfort. The folding sofa bed. A convertible sleeper chair that effortlessly transforms from a stylish sofa to a cozy bed, perfect for any living room, dorm, guest room, or home office. This innovative piece of furniture is crafted with high-density memory foam, ensuring a soft yet supportive experience with quick rebound, while its durable, breathable, and washable fabric cover offers a long-lasting, comfortable touch. Designed with ergonomics in mind, this sofa bed conforms to your body's natural curves, and the elastic pillow provides excellent lumbar support, making it ideal for working, studying, or simply relaxing. The multifunctional design allows it to serve as a guest bed, queen chair, or mattress, with an adjustable backrest to help you find the perfect seating or sleeping position. Featuring practical side pockets, this sofa bed offers convenient storage for essentials like remote controls and tissues, keeping your space tidy and organized. Its space-saving design means it can easily be stored in a wardrobe or under a bed when not in use, making it perfect for small apartments, dorms, or any room where space is at a premium. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and comfort with this folding sofa bed, and transform your living space today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.